Boston departure, good afternoon, Iberia 6166 heavy, climbing 1.3 up to 5,000.
Iberia 6166 heavy, Boston departure, radar contact, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, contact approach on 120.6.
1206, Iberia 6166 heavy, so long.
So long.
Good afternoon, Iberia 6166 heavy, climbing 4,000 up to 14,000, 14-0, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, Boston approach, roger, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, thank you. Iberia 6166 heavy, Mayday, 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 we have smoke in the cabin.
Iberia 6166 heavy, roger, do you need to return to Boston right now?
Affirm.
Iberia 6166 heavy, turn left heading 360, descend to maintain 10,000.
Descend to maintain 10,000 and heading 360.
Iberia 6166 heavy, turn left heading 320, descend to maintain 5,000.
320, descend to maintain 5,000, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, when able to say fuel and souls on board.
Fuel is 42,700 and 294.
Iberia 6166 heavy, are you able to go right in and attempt a landing? Iberia 6166 heavy, will you be able to go right in for 22 left?
Affirm, we can go 22 left, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, contact approach 126.5.
265, Iberia 6166, Mayday, Mayday. 166, smoke in the cabin, heading 320 along 5,000, returning to Boston, runway 22 left.
Iberia 6166 heavy, Boston approach, just going to maintain 3,000.
Down 3,000, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, turn left heading 300.
Left heading 300, Iberia 6166. 190, Iberia 6166 heavy, Mayday.
6166 heavy, turn left heading 270.
Heading 270, Iberia 6166 heavy.
240, intercept the localizer.
240 and intercept the localizer, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, 2 miles from Wayne, maintain 3,000 till established on localizer, cleared ILS 22 left approach.
2,000 till established, we see Wayne and clear for the ILS approach, runway 22 left, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Iberia 6166 heavy, speed your discretion.
Speed at discretion, Iberia 6166 heavy, thank you.
134.05.
3405, Iberia 6166 heavy.
Heavy, Mayday, 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 we have smoke in the cabin and 22 left.
Iberia 6165 heavy, Boston Tower, runway 22 left. Continue, expect your landing clearance in about 1 mile.
Roger, continue.
Iberia 6166 heavy, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Close to land, Iberia 6166 heavy.
or onto Mike 1.
Turn right on Bravo or Mike 1, Iberia 6166 Heavy. Mike 1 is going to be good.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, turn right onto Mike 1 and right turn, or correction, hold short of taxiway Mike. Do you require any assistance?
Roger, we turn on Mike 1 and we stop and we'll let you know what's going on.
66 Heavy, do you want the fire truck to check for hot brakes, or do you require any assistance?
Yes, better for the hard brakes, and also if they see anything around outside, because we just heard a lot of electrical smoke here.
Okay, 666, Roger, welcome on to that. Port, close command, did you copy? Okay, 6166 Heavy, emergency vehicles are approaching you now. They're on this frequency if you'd like to communicate with them.
Okay, thank you very much.
6166 Heavy, the vehicles are trying to communicate with you.
Okay, hi.
Back because we had a cockpit filled with smoke, electrical smoke. I just need you to tell me if you see anything outside that will keep us from taxiing to the parking position safely. I don't know, maybe the brakes are pretty hot, but I don't know what you see from the outside, and if under your opinion we can taxi safely to the back to the gate. The limit, so it should be okay to taxi back. Can you provide a truck to accompany us to the gate to check during the whole taxi procedure? Thank you, I appreciate that. Anything that you see out of the normal, please let me know so we'll decide if we need to evacuate the aircraft or the passengers. But I think everything is pretty quiet inside, so I don't think we're gonna need that. Thank you. Call the ground control so we can take it back to the gate. Thank you.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, I'm still here. You can remain in this frequency. When the vehicles are out of your way, turn right onto taxiway Mike, cross runway 9.